In this video, let me show you how to fix the X two-factor authentication problem. So if you're having issues logging into your account and if the two-factor authentication is not working out, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, whenever you first of all enable the two-factor authentication, you may have got the backup code. So if you have already got the backup code generated, whenever you first of all add it in the two-factor authentication, in this situation, you can simply tap on the enter code option instead of trying to get the code, and you can simply enter in the 12-digit verification code, which would look something like this. And by using this backup code, you should be able to log into your account. But however, in the case where you did not get the 12-step backup code, in this situation, what you can first of all try is try to turn off any sort of VPNs that you might be connected to, as well as try to switch your network. If you're currently using your Wi-Fi network, try to switch to your cellular data and vice versa, and try to see if the issue is fixed. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues, then in this situation, what you can do is contact the support team. So open up a web browser, search for X two-factor authentication not working, or you can simply search for X problem with 2FA, which will then take you to this page. Now, within this page, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the exact section where you can add in your username and simply add in your email address as well. And then here you can simply add in your description for the exact issue that you're facing. So that using this exact process, you should be able to fix the two-factor authentication problem within X. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.